This video explains how to enable candidates to move between test sections and allow them to return to the previous test section. Hover over the tests in the main menu and select New Test. Enter the test name, optionally a description, and check this box to create a test with sections. Proceed with the test creation process as usual. You will be navigated to the section wizard when you click the Add Section button. Enter the section name and, optionally, a description. Move to the next step, Settings, and check the option Enable Revisiting Section. This option allows candidates to return from the previous section to this one until they submit the answers by clicking the Finish Section button. Once a candidate submits the answers in this section, it is no longer possible to return to it. The Enable Revisiting Section option allows candidates to return to the section and change their answers only before the section is submitted. Add questions and complete the creation of this section. Let's enable this option for the second section as well. For demonstration purposes, let's leave this box empty for the third section, and we will enable it for the fourth. Finish the test wizard, organize a testing session, and publish the test. Let's now see this functionality from the student's perspective. Start the test, begin with the first section, and answer the questions. If you remember, we enabled the option for revisiting this section. However, students must not click on the Finish Section button if they want to revisit this section. To navigate the second section, they should open the Sections tab and click on the second section name. The same applies to the second section, where we also enabled the revisiting option. However, if we try to move from the third section, for which revisiting is not enabled, the system will warn us that we cannot return to this section and change answers. On the other hand, we can navigate between the other three sections as long as the button Finish Section is not clicked and answers for that question are submitted. Click the Finish Test button to submit all sections and this test attempt.